Hi, my name is Amy.
Hi, my name is Mia.
Hi, my name is Jade, and we're going to be telling you about blood.
I'll go first.
Red blood cells.
Red blood cells look like donuts with no hole in the middle. On their surface, they have small proteins called antigens. These antigens confirm your blood type. Blood gets its color from hemoglobin as it transports oxygen from the lungs. Every single day, the body makes new blood cells to replace the old ones that die or are lost when you bleed.
Your turn.
White blood cells.
White blood cells are like police going around in your body. When a germ enters the body, white blood cells snap to attention. White blood cells have a variety of ways to attack germs. They are constantly on the lookout for germs.
Platelets.
Platelets are tiny oval-shaped cells made in the bone marrow. When a blood vessel breaks, platelets gather together to seal off the mouth. Now it's Mia's turn.
Blood plasma. Blood plasma is a yellow liquid where blood cells float. Plasma contains 92% water, waste, liquids, etc. Adults have about 3% plasma.
The circulation of blood.
The blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart are called arteries. The ones that carry blood back to the heart are called veins. The left side of your heart sends oxygen-rich blood out to the body. Your body takes the oxygen and uses it in your body's cells. When your body's cells use the oxygen, they create carbon dioxide. The returning blood enters the right side of the heart. The right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs for a little freshening up. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is removed and sent out of the blood when we exhale. Now it's Jade's turn.
How and where blood cells are formed.
Blood cells are formed in the bone marrow. The bone marrow is a liquid part inside your bones. Blood cells are formed when a stem cell divides and becomes an immature blood cell. Then the immature blood cell divides yet again, creating a fully grown blood cell.
Blood clots.
Blood clots are formed by platelets clumping together and clogging veins, arteries, capillaries, and blood vessels. A blood clot that forms inside a blood vessel or the heart is a clot. It's called an embolus. Generally, the human body creates blood clots as a kind of response to damaged blood vessels. Then once the blood vessels are healed, blood clots will dissolve.
Now we'll show our models.
This jar represents the bloodstream. The liquid inside this jar represents blood plasma. The Skittles represent red blood cells. The white stuff represents white blood cells, and the blue bees represent platelets.
Oh! This represents a red blood cell, and the string represents fibrin. These represent platelets, and this represents a white blood cell.
Say take a drop of blood. 65 to 60% of it is plasma. 1% is white blood cells and platelets, and 40 to 45% of it is red blood cells. Now we'll tell our facts.
Did you know
that in the early 19th century, some advertisement claimed that riding the carousel was good for the circulation of blood?
Did you know that for every one white blood cell, there are 700 red blood cells?
Did you know every second 2 million blood cells die?
Did you know that blood actually isn't blue? It just seems blue, but it's a really dark red. And did you know that in one drop of blood, there's 250 million red blood cells? Now you know.
Well done, girl.